Hey guys, today we're gonna learn how to make a shadow in Illustrator. So here I have my object. Okay, I'll just put it here on top of the background. Okay, to make a shadow for this one, you just copy and paste another object, same. You use black, okay, and just make sure it's behind the object. Okay, I mean like you can consider this as a shadow if you want. Okay, still looks like a shadow. Make it a bit real by going to transparency, go to multiply, and then reduce the opacity. Does it look like a shadow? Well, it does a bit. Okay, now there are also other ways. Let me just increase the opacity a bit. Okay, now you go to object, effect, go to effect, and go to blur, and go to Gaussian blur. Okay, let's preview. Looks like a shadow. Okay, then there you have it. You have your own shadow in Illustrator. Very simple step. Just recopy it again and you'll get your shadow. Maybe you don't want it at the back. For example, you want it at the front. Let's do it again. Just copy the object. Okay, take a black color. Okay, this time you want it at the front. You put it here. Okay, you drag it down like this. Okay, you go to this area where there's a scale tool. You go to shear tool. Okay, you set the point here, and then you drag it. You drag it like so. Okay, and now you have the the sun from the back and the shadow at the front. Okay, looks like a shadow, yeah. Same thing. You go to effect, blur, Gaussian blur, preview. There you go. Looks like a shadow. You can make it more realistic by putting it in multiply and change the opacity a bit low. There you have it. You have the shadow. Okay, thanks for watching guys. See you later.